Hello and welcome to the second edition of Recipe Up, brought to you from the SoCalGas Food Service Equipment Center located in Downey, California. Today I'm going to recipe up breakfast burritos utilizing a natural gas plancha griddle. In this video, we'll showcase key benefits of flexibility, consistency, and versatility of the plancha. At temperatures that easily reach 550 to 800 degrees, plancha temperatures are hotter than your traditional griddle top, so be careful. The plancha is a good choice for any food service operation that needs to quickly and continuously sear and finish proteins, vegetables, and more. It is also great for doing larger batches of production, and in some cases, with planchas that have multiple burners and zones, one can cook various items at various temperatures, and that's what I'll be showcasing here today. While I start cooking, I want you to imagine this equipment in a community college food hall or cafeteria where it's very likely there will be neighbors with different cultural foods. Many times these neighbors will share a space and/or equipment. Therefore, a plancha griddle would be perfect for this application. A breakfast cafe concept could share the plancha with a Mexican concept and accommodate various cooking temperatures and batch sizes. These two concepts can come together and offer a tasty breakfast burrito. I let the plancha preheat for 15 minutes before I add the veggies and bacon, where it's set at a lower temperature, rendering out the fat to make it even more crispy. We will use the bacon fat for the hash browns in this zone at 350 degrees. Let's go over some of the ideal technical features that can benefit you and your bottom line. Even heating is always important in food service equipment. This is achieved by having 2 burners per zone and efficient burner design spreading the heat evenly. On this particular unit, I have the flexibility to use 4 different zones with different temps, or even set them all to one temperature, and now I have a large surface area to cook a large batch of food. Zero recovery time is a great feature that will give faster cook time. This is achieved by using an efficient plancha. So when the plancha is loaded up with cold product, the griddle surface will recover to its set temperature much faster than an inefficient one. Let's look at our various ingredients that will make it into our breakfast burrito. Now that we have cooked each ingredient to perfection, I want to set this section of the plancha to a lower holding temperature so that we can build the burritos without products being overcooked. And this is the burrito that we made entirely on the plancha. If you need more information about planchas or are interested in purchasing one, view our qualified product lists, equipment inventory list, and manufacturer contact list on caenergywise.com to ensure you purchase a rebate qualified unit. You could also visit socalgas.com/foodservice to learn more about our services at the Energy Resource Center. You also have the opportunity to try before you buy at our facility in Downey to test equipment and meet with the manufacturers. Clean, affordable, and reliable gas must be part of California's energy future. SoCalGas is leading the way to make sure our customers have a choice.